Thanks to the rapid advancement of technology in the past century, we can observe much more of the universe than ever before. The scale and sheer size of the universe makes it impossible to truly learn everything, but it doesn't mean we shouldn't try. I'm Rex Ravita, and this is Cosmic Sense. A massive solar flare exploded from the sun on Saturday, creating radio blackouts in South America, and researchers predict that there's more to come. According to the Space Weather Prediction Center, the sun released a massive solar flare over the weekend that peaked at 10:48 Eastern Standard Time on February 11th. The flare was classified as an X1.1 flare, one of the most powerful classifications of solar flares. The flare was emitted from an area of the sun called Active Region 2317. Researchers from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and SWPC say that more flares should be expected from this region. A solar flare is an intense explosion of radiation coming from the release of magnetic energy from the sun, according to NASA. They can last anywhere from minutes to hours and are the largest explosive events in our solar system. NASA classifies solar flares according to their strength, with the smallest being A-class flares and the largest being X-class flares. The energy output of each ranking is 10 times stronger than the previous ranking, according to NASA. Within the X-class, flares can be ranked from X1 all the way to X28. NASA says the largest solar events can produce as much energy as 1 billion hydrogen bombs. In powerful flares, the sun releases a massive amount of plasma and solar material known as a coronal mass ejection, or CME. If released in the direction of Earth, this can create radiation storms that can harm satellites and radio communication systems. Now, the flare over the weekend did not release a CME, but it did cause temporary radio blackouts in South America. Thank you so much for listening, and if you want to hear more about space, be sure to come back every week for a new episode of Cosmic Sense. I'm Rex Ravita with News Radio 1080 KRLD.